The tensions in Crimea are very, very clear to see. A huge demonstration here outside the Parliament building.
What we're seeing here in Simferopol is the decades, if not centuries, of bad blood between two groups of people. Over here, the Crimean Tatars, essentially a Turkic people whose land this originally was. And over here, the Russians, who took it over in the 18th century and have controlled Crimea ever since. But of course, it's neither the Russians nor the Tatars who control Crimea now. It's the Ukrainian government, and the new government in Kiev is supported by the Tatars, who feel that they will get some support, but they are hated by the Russians, who fear that it's going to undermine their way of life. We've already seen violence here today outside the Parliament in Simferopol, and there is much, much more possibility of violence in the days, weeks and months to come.
The voices on both sides of this divide are very, very defiant.
I want to join Russia, but some people want to be independent republic, but not with German Ukrainian fascists.
Why
because
do you...
we consider that they are real fascists.
Why do you want to join Russia? You are an independent country.
Ukraine, you mean? Because fascists came to the power. And that's why we want to join Russia. It's better for us.
It's our goals to get with the European Union, and we need this because the rights of Ukraine, the laws of Ukraine doesn't work here. Russia has the strategy of breaking nations, their law, their history, because it's imperialistic government. That's why all the world doesn't love Russia.
The divisions here are being amplified across Ukraine. When the interim president warns of the real risk of separatism, he's talking mainly about this part of the country. In the coming days and weeks, all eyes will be on Crimea and on Moscow's moves here.